Hey everyone, welcome back to Intelearn. Today we're diving into a powerful lean tool called Kanban. If your team ever feels confused, overloaded, or stuck in chaos, this tool is for you. Let's simplify your workflow. In just 3 minutes. What is Kanban? Kanban is a Japanese word that means visual signal or card. In lean manufacturing and project management, it's a visual method to manage work. Imagine a simple board, with columns like to do, in progress, and done. Each task is written on a card and moves across the board as it progresses. Sounds simple, right? But it's super powerful. Why Kanban works? Kanban helps teams by making work visible, no more guessing what's being done, reducing bottlenecks. If work piles up, you'll see it instantly. Promoting focus, only a few tasks are allowed. In progress at one time. Improving flow. Tasks move faster when everyone's aligned. It's used in factories, software teams, hospitals, and even in your daily life. Real example. Let's take a garments factory line as an example. Cutting, sewing, finishing, and packing are the stages. Each bundle has a card attached. As it moves through each process, the card moves along the Kanban board. Supervisors can see at a glance where work is stuck and take action immediately. Kanban rules. To get the most from Kanban, remember these golden rules. 1. Visualize your workflow. 2. Limit work in progress, WIP. 3. Move tasks only when truly done. 4. Monitor and improve flow over time. Start small. Even a whiteboard and sticky notes can work. So that's Kanban, a simple tool that brings clarity, control, and calm to your workflow. Try it in your team, or even for your personal tasks. If you found this helpful, give a like, comment your experience with Kanban, and don't forget to subscribe to Intelearn for more quick learning videos. See you next time.